And trust me friends, that chutney is hot, really, really hot. Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all of us are well. And before we start, a few words on the health benefits of citrus. It is a well-known fact. No part of citrus is to be wasted. Look at the uses: the skin, the pith, the pulp and the juice. Look at the health benefits. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, 170 phytogen chemicals, 60 flavonoids, anti-inflammatory, 240 milligrams of potassium. Imagine. And dietary fiber, up to 3 grams. Imagine. What a fruit. Beta carotene, that makes the orange look orange. And vitamin B, the foliate. And vitamin B1, thiamine. All very important. The zest, the skin that is, not to be thrown again. And let's take an orange for our chutney. One there. And now to cut and de-seed the oranges, which is most important. Seeds are not wanted, remember. Therefore, it's better to de-seed the oranges or the citrus, whichever you are using. The pith, now this is the issue. The pith is generally thrown because it is bitter, but never do it. That is the smartness of using it. Now to blend and cut the orange into a thick, coarse paste. Look at the thick paste. It has got to be coarse, not very fine, not very thin. This should be the drop consistency. And now to dish out the coarse paste that we have made. And the fry pan comes on. 15 milliliters of coconut oil, preferably, or you can use mustard oil also, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. The tip: never heat the oil too much, otherwise it will burn the mustard seeds. 2 sun-dried chili whole for flavor, and 2 cloves. This is absolutely optional. You may use it, you may not use it. It is as per as you. Black gram split, 1 tablespoon. And chickpea lentils split, again 1 tablespoon. Cook till color changes to pink and roasted nutty fragrances observed. Once achieved, we'll switch off the flames and we'll blend this mix now into a coarse paste. Again, the blender. And we blend. Look at this oil. Don't throw this oil. We'll be using it because it has all the flavors of our spices, remember. So never throw that oil. We'll be using that oil. Again the flame comes on, the fry pan back with the oil, and the blended paste comes back. Stir a little, and the paste of the citrus that we had made, orange or any citrus that you have used. Now to the citrus we're going to add, stir well, otherwise it can get burnt. Any natural salt. I'll advise you to use natural salt. Along with that, mango powder. You can also use tomato juice or lemon juice, and a little bit of red chili powder, degi mirch as we call it, for color. It gives a bright red color. Stir well, otherwise it can get burnt. Remember, we are not going to burn our chutney. So stir well. And jaggery or brown sugar, shakkar, and mix well again. Stir well again. It must not get burnt. And time to taste. Oh, requires more salt. So, more natural salt. And more jaggery, brown sugar or shakkar or any natural sweetener. It requires more. And stir well again. Stir well. And time to taste. This is most important. Must taste at every step. Better. But wait, chutney is not done as yet. We'll switch off. The taste is perfect. But wait. And to dish out the chutney, dish it out for the next process of our chutney. Remember, the chutney is not done as yet. So for the next process, again the flame comes back and the fry pan. Add 10 ml more coconut oil. Once done, allow it to heat just a shade and then add the mustard seed as usual. Remember never to heat mustard seeds too much, otherwise they will burn out and the flavors will be lost. Once done, switch off and remove our second temper or tadka. Once done, let's pour. What a beautiful music. Now the chutney is ready. You can serve with idli, dosa, vada, curd rice or anything. And remember to treat all your near, dear, known, unknown, loved, hated, adored, feared, relative, friends and foes, cared, uncared, and your enemies too. Until we meet again, it's thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time, friends. And as I always say, cook healthy, eat healthy, and live healthy.